Good morning बच्चों. In continuation of our previous video, today we start numerical problem related to chapter solution. Generally one question is asked in final board exam related to numerical of colligative property. As you all know, there are the four colligative properties. One is the relative lowering in vapor pressure, one is the elevation of boiling point, one is the depression of freezing point, and last one is the osmotic pressure. Some cases or certain cases they also involve want of factor within these problems. So today we will discuss some problems related to these properties which are follows. Numerical problem related to solution. As I told previously, the generally question is asked from the colligative properties. So there are the four colligative property. First one is the relative lowering in vapor pressure. Relative lowering in vapor pressure, according to Raoult law, it is the mole fraction of non-volatile solute. Hence Pa0 minus Ps upon Pa0. Pa0 is the vapor pressure of pure solvent. Pa0 again vapor pressure of the pure solvent. Ps is the vapor pressure of solution. So Pa0 minus Ps is the lowering in vapor pressure. When it is divided by vapor pressure of the pure solvent, we will get relative lowering, which is equal to mole fraction of non-volatile solute Xb. Since mole fraction is the ratio of the number of moles of a particular component to the total number of moles present in the solution, hence it is Nb upon Na plus Nb. We know Nb is very less than Na, hence Nb can be removed from denominator, hence the fraction will becomes equal to Nb upon Na. Nb can be written as Wb by Mb and Na can be written as Wa by Mb. So our net formula is Pa0 minus Ps upon Pa0 is equal to Wb into Ma upon upon Mb into Wa. When we transpose the things, the molecular mass of the substance can be reduced by given formula. Okay? So first you have to write all those formulas on the paper, then go for the numerical problem. That will really help you. Our next property is elevation of boiling point. Elevation of boiling point is represented as del Tb. Del Tb is equal to Kbm. As you all know, Kb is the molar elevation constant or the ebullioscopic constant. The value of Kb will be given in a problem. A question, whatever the question will ask by you during the exam, the value of the Kb will be mentioned over there. So no problem regarding the value of Kb. Yes, either they will ask about del Tb or the molar mass of the substance. When we extend this formula by putting the value of small m, that means molality, the del Tb is equal to Kb into Wb into 1000 upon Mb into Wa. Or we can write Mb is whatever the written in the paper. You may check it from here. It's just a simple mathematics, nothing much more. If we introduce want of factor, so how will we come to know whether we have to introduce the want of factor or not? That will be clearly mentioned in the question. Generally they are writing for introducing want of factor, the substance is completely ionized, substance is completely dissociated, substance is completely associated. If these words are written in the question, that means you have to introduce the want of factor, otherwise no need to introduce want of factor. Okay, because want of factor is only and only applicable when association or dissociation is taking place. Again, del Tb is equal to Tb minus Tb0. Tb is the boiling point of the solution and Tb0 is the boiling point of the solvent, pure solvent. So that will be find out accordingly. Next, depression of freezing point. Depression of freezing point is the del Tf. Del Tf is equal to Kfm. Kf is the cryoscopic constant or the molar depression constant. Again, when we put the value of m, we will get whatever the written over here, Again, you can use the one-top factor if it is mentioned in the question, and del TF is equal to TF0 minus TF. It is just revert of del TB. Del TB was TB minus TB0. Here del TF is equal to TF0 minus TF. That means freezing point of the pure solvent minus freezing point of the solution. Next, osmotic pressure. You all know osmotic pressure is represented as the pi. Pi is equal to CRT. C we can write C is equal to NB by V, or it is a molarity. What is it? It is a molarity. NB number of moles, V is the volume, R is the gas constant, T is the temperature. In general, the value of gas constant in these type of problems is 0.0821 mole at atmosphere inverse, liter inverse. 0.0821. T is the temperature, you will take in Kelvin, NB is the number of moles, and V is the volume of solution. Once again, if want-of factor is introduced, we have to introduce the want-of factor in a question. Then how will we calculate the want-of factor? So there are the three formulas to calculate the want-of factor. First one is the normal molecular mass divided by observed molecular mass. Normal molecular mass divided by observed molecular mass. You can use the trick to remember it as a NO. Normal molecular mass upon observed molecular mass. Since colligative property is the just reciprocal of the molecular mass, hence the value of I can also be calculated using the colligative property, or which is observed colligative property upon calculated colligative property. Then depend what kind of values are supplied to you in a question. We will use the formula for calculating I. Okay. Third one is the number of moles of particles after dissociation or association upon number of moles of a particle before association and dissociation. So these are the three formula by which we can find out the value of I. I mean the want-of factor. If the association or the dissociation taking place during the formation of the solutions, so just put the value of I by in a given formula and you can find out the whatever the property asked for that. Okay, I am taking an example of the calcium chloride. If a calcium chloride dissolved in a certain amount of the solvent to prepare a solution, it will dissociate it in a Ca2 plus and 2Cl minus. So there are the three ions after the dissociation. One is the Ca2 plus ion and two are the chloride ions. When 3 is divided by 1, because before the dissociation there was a single molecule of the CaCl2, hence value of I is equal to 3. Then last but not least, now I want to explain degree of ionization. Degree of ionization, it is generally represented as alpha, or we are using degree of dissociation also in certain case. Alpha is equal to I minus 1 upon n minus 1. I, you know, is want-of factor, n number of moles produced by a formula mass. That's it. Now we are taking a one by one example of the numerical and explain the problem. Okay, our first question. Read out the first question. At a 25 degrees Celsius, the saturated vapor pressure of the water is 3.165 kilopascal and 23.75 mmHg. So there the pressure is given in kilopascal and mmHg both. We will use kilopascal. Find the saturated Vp of 5% aqueous solution of the urea. Urea is carbamide, NH2CONH2, at the same temperature. We have to find out the saturated vapor pressure of the 5% aqueous solution. That means it is PS, pressure of the solution. Okay, the molar mass of the urea is 60.05 gram per mole. We will take it as a 60. So first you should write the values given in the problem. I am writing over here. Our chemical formula is PS 0 minus PS upon PS 0. Okay. Or sometimes we are writing PA 0 minus PS is equal to XB, where XB is what? XB is equal to WB into MA upon MB into WA. Okay. So we need PS0, we need PS, we need WB, we need MA, we need MB, we need WA.